Click on the link below to get price. In the realm of outdoor gardening, having a reliable greenhouse can significantly enhance the growing experience. One such option is the 10 by 24 foot large greenhouse, designed with heavy-duty materials and an aluminum frame, offering a sturdy structure for various gardening needs. Made with polycarbonate panels, this greenhouse provides a balance of durability and insulation, creating a suitable environment for plants to thrive. The design of this greenhouse is particularly notable for its spacious dimensions. At 10 by 24 feet, it presents ample room for a variety of plants, whether they are vegetables, flowers, or herbs. The aluminum frame contributes to the overall strength and longevity of the structure, ensuring it can withstand various weather conditions. The polycarbonate panels are not only lightweight but also efficient, providing excellent insulation while allowing for adequate sunlight penetration. This combination of materials helps maintain an optimal temperature inside, which is crucial for promoting plant growth. One of the key features of this greenhouse is its thoughtful design, with sliding doors that facilitate easy access. This allows gardeners to move in and out of the space conveniently, whether it's for planting, watering, or harvesting. Additionally, the greenhouse is designed to be assembled with relative ease, with clear instructions provided to guide users through the process. This aspect may be particularly appealing to novice gardeners who might feel daunted by complex setups. When it comes to usage, this greenhouse is versatile enough to cater to different gardening styles. Whether you're a hobbyist looking to extend your growing season or a more serious gardener aiming to cultivate a variety of crops, the spacious interior can accommodate your needs. Furthermore, its robust design means that it can be used year-round, providing shelter for plants during harsh weather conditions. In conclusion, the 10 by 24 foot large greenhouse presents a thoughtfully constructed option for outdoor gardening enthusiasts. Its combination of durable materials, spacious design, and user-friendly features make it a practical choice for creating an efficient growing environment. As with any gardening endeavor, successful plant growth will ultimately depend on various factors, including the care and attention provided to the plants within this greenhouse.